Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us once again. We are at Ruaka. We are at La Cascada Miguel Gardens. We are here to explore some of the greatest and interesting, captivating areas where you can be in Nairobi. This is one of them. Uh, Today, you'll be able to experience waterfalls, green sceneries, and definitely are going to enjoy the views here. Karibu. It's a place that you can bring your family. It's a place that you can come with your spouse. Place where you can actually conduct weddings and everything, including photo shoots. It's a very beautiful scenery. I'm here with my friend George. George Habari.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Jaws Travel Media.
Yes.
Yes, you asked me something.
Yeah, I was asking, how is the place here? How is the scenery here?
It's just beautiful. You can feel the very fresh air. There is the sound of the waterfall behind us, the river flowing, very clean water. You didn't believe you are in Nairobi actually. Did you Nairobi? Kiambu?
Yeah, we are in Kiambu County. Actually, this is the only content you can ever experience around various YouTube channels. You can only find it on Jao Travel Media. So come, organize yourself to come and visit these spots. So also you can experience what we experience ourselves.
Well, these are family spots. There's the kids area you see behind us. There's a lot of space here for kids to play. There are conference rooms, there are meeting rooms, wedding area, photo shoot area. You can do your wedding somewhere else, come here for a photo shoot, and then go for your evening party. It's a beautiful place, very well priced, very favorite. It's a favorite spot for most people around here. The area behind us is quite full, so it's a very popular spot.
Yes, there's a sport bar whereby some people can go, you can have a rest or something, you can have a drink, beverages, food is served there. So generally it's one full house where you can get everything. Thank you for joining us today once again. And remember to subscribe to our channel, like, subscribe, share, watch. We need you in all this as we continue on this captivating journey.
Looking forward to your review, your comments down there. And always remember, we'll always get back to you if you need more information.
Yeah. hope you're enjoying our video shoot today and this showcasing the best spots around Nairobi and around Ruaka. I'm standing next to the waterfall. Today we are still at Cascada Miguel Gardens. I'm deep inside the gardens, sitting on a place where we have a big rock. It's a very beautiful scene, as you can see. We are showcasing areas that you can visit and bring your family along every time you want to experience and explore new areas around Nairobi. Asanteni sana.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. as you feel. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue